Begin to live your idyllic life in this wonderful AMALFI model home situated in Valencia Lakes, Tampa Bay's premier 55-plus active adult community. Its 1,597 square feet comfortably accommodates 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, dining room, kitchen, and laundry room, and it also has a 140 square feet lanai with an amazing water view and a pristine 20x20 garage. The manicured mature Florida-friendly landscaping and impeccable exterior cleanliness creates wonderful curb appeal. Upon entering via the full-length privacy glass front door, you are greeted in a welcoming foyer that leads into the AMALFI's open floor plan. The 14x22 great room, with a 60 traditional wood ceiling fan, is the home's anchor, and its 3-panel 9 sliding glass doors provide a wonderful northerly water view, and access to the restful screened lanai. The lanai is a great space to relax and enjoy amazing sunsets. The Gourmet Kitchen features Zodiaq quartz countertops capped by Botticino-colored Tumblestone Backsplash, solid maple cabinetry, a double stainless steel sink, black appliances, a bar-height breakfast counter with 3 pendant lights, and ample room for the Sous-Chef too. The Dinette features an accent wall with 7-high custom wainscot and is a cozy space to enjoy daily and intimate meals. The dining room will comfortably accommodate 8 persons and features a magnificent, inverted bell, seated glass antique bronze chandelier. The master bedroom is at the rear of the AMALFI and features a 10 to 11 tray ceiling with a ceiling fan, a 3-pane 9 window with a water view, a customized walk-in closet, and an ensuite bathroom. The ensuite bath has 2 separated vanities with Zodiaq quartz counters, one is a makeup vanity, and a large garden bathtub, and a private water closet where you will find the walk-in shower and commode. Bedroom 2 is positioned at the front of the AMALFI and provides exceptional privacy and comfort. It features a 48 ceiling fan and a 6 window with vanes. Bedroom 3 has a ceiling fan and a walk-in closet. How might you decide to use this space? The laundry room is outstanding. It features a full-width counter atop the Samsung washer and dryer, both have steam capability, and an innovative pull-out cabinet in between. 2 upper cabinets are separated by custom millwork, and there is an adjoining space to hang your clothes. Flooring throughout the AMALFI is 17x17 porcelain tile on the diagonal, save for the master bedroom and bedroom 2, which features comforting carpet. The 20x20 garage is pristine. It has an epoxy floor, a Chamberlain belt drive opener with MyQ Wi-Fi capability, an insulated garage door, and an abundance of excellent cabinetry for storage, and additional lighting. It is home to a 200 amp electrical panel with reliable square D circuit breakers, a Culligan Iron Soft Plus water softener system, and a 50-gallon Rheem water heater. This AMALFI is outfitted to provide you with unlimited